Last week, we learned about Holy Week in Spain, Semana Santa, and the floats, pasos, with life-sized wooden statues that process through the streets. These processions are sacred to the devout and mark the holiest days of the Christian calendar. The conclusion of Holy Week is Easter, the celebration of Christ's resurrection, and is considered by Christians to be the most jubilant day of the year. On Easter morning, the tense and solemn atmosphere of Holy Week is transformed into a time of joyful excitement. Ingredients that may have been given up for Lent, milk, meat, eggs, and sugar, are now reintroduced into Spanish cuisine. One of the most delicious ways to do this is by making an Easter cake, Mona de Pascua. Easter cake originates from Catalonia, Valencia, and Murcia. It consists of a sweet yeast bread in the shape of a gigantic donut topped with hard-boiled eggs. Traditionally, godparents shared them with their godchildren, and the number of eggs on the cake corresponded to the age of the child. The number of eggs never went beyond 12, the age of confirmation in the Roman Catholic Church. The traditional cake is still available, but whimsical versions have become increasingly popular over the years. Hard-boiled eggs began to be replaced by chocolate versions at the end of the 19th century. Today, chocolate figurines, including popular television and cartoon characters, can be found on top of Easter cakes. In Barcelona, innovative chocolatiers construct the cakes entirely with chocolate. Let's put our own spin on this Easter tradition by making a Mona de Pascua with a Texas layer cake. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Sift together flour, sugar, cinnamon, and salt. In a small saucepan, combine butter, cocoa powder, and water over low heat, stirring frequently, and cook until mixture is melted and smooth. Remove from heat. In the bowl of a stand mixer, combine sour cream, eggs, baking soda, and vanilla, and beat until smooth. Add melted chocolate mixture to sour cream mixture and mix until combined. Add dry ingredients to the bowl and continue mixing until blended. Coat 3 9-inch round cake pans with shortening and lightly flour the pans. Divide cake batter evenly into pans. Bake for 20 to 23 minutes. Allow cakes to cool completely. For the frosting, combine the chocolate chips, half and half, and butter in a heavy saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until chocolate chips melt. Remove from heat. Gradually sift in the confectioner's sugar, stirring well. Carefully place the saucepan in a large bowl filled with ice, and beat at a low speed with an electric mixer until frosting begins to lose its gloss and hold its shape. Spread chocolate frosting between each layer and over the cake. Next is the fun part. We are going to decorate the cake with chocolate and some flair, just like they do in Spain. I've included some tiny chicks, some egg flair, chocolate eggs, and candy. Feel free to add your own finishing touches. I hope you had fun learning about Easter traditions in Spain and making an Easter cake with me at home. We'll see you next time right here on A Sense of Spain.